Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Maddie's outfit on Dress to Impress. Maddie, the one from Euphoria, of course. You do need VIP items for this fit. So let's get started with the video. Select this hair and just color it black, and then select this hair, color it black. Position the Z at 0.59, rotate the X to 0.56. For the outfit, I'm just going to go to the dressing rooms. And I'm going to use this VIP item here in all black. Then for the skirt, I used this in the high toggle in black as well. I think I did like light silk on this. For the gloves, you do use this first. Where is it? In light silk in black. And then I'm also going to use these gloves in the second toggle in black, no fur, in light silk. Then for the hoop earrings, I actually don't know where the like circle ones are, so I am just going to use these ones in like this gray color. Then for the shoes, I'm going to use these. They're not exactly the same. I'm just going to color it this color in metallic. I think I used this actually, I remember. And then I'm just going to color everything the same color in metallic here. Maybe I'll do this gray actually, like so. I just colored the nails in black and I made them like sharp like this. And that's it, super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!